In today's digital age, reliable printing solutions are more essential than ever, whether for home office tasks, school projects, or professional presentations. With countless models flooding the market, choosing the right printer can feel overwhelming. From inkjet to laser and all-in-ones, each type offers unique features tailored to different needs and budgets. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best printers available today, highlighting key specifications, performance metrics, and user-friendly features that cater to diverse printing requirements. Whether you're seeking high-quality photo prints or fast document handling, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the world of printing excellence. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5, Brother HLL 2460DW, our pick for best budget printer. If you find yourself in need of a straightforward solution for printing return labels or your annual tax documents, the Brother HLL 2460DW might be just what you're looking for. This budget-friendly monochrome laser printer is designed with simplicity in mind and offers an economical printing experience. Its cartridges yield a high volume of pages, reducing the frequency of replacements and overall maintenance costs. Unlike inkjet printers, you can rest easy knowing that you won't face issues like print head clogging if your laser printer sits idle for a while. Your printer will be ready whenever you are. Depending on the model you choose, you'll enjoy versatile connectivity options, including USB, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet. Some variants even offer automatic duplex printing for added convenience. Regardless of the specific features, you can expect impressive print speeds of 32 to 34 pages per minute. However, it's important to consider a few limitations. While initial costs are higher than basic inkjet models, the long-term savings can be significant. Remember, this printer focuses solely on black and white printing, so it won't meet your color or photo printing needs. Additionally, it lacks scanning capabilities, making it a less versatile option. And while the default print quality may not impress, it can often be improved by adjusting the printer settings. Overall, if you need a reliable, cost-effective printer for occasional tasks, the Brother HLL 2460DW is a solid choice. Number 4, Canon PIXMA MG3620, our pick for best photo printer. If you're searching for a reliable printer that won't stress your budget, the Canon PIXMA MG3620 is an excellent option to consider. Its compact design allows it to seamlessly fit into your home office or any cozy nook without taking up valuable space, making it ideal for any setting. When it comes to print quality, expect nothing less than professional results. Whether you're printing important documents or cherished family photos, the MG3620 delivers vibrant colors and sharp text every time. Plus, its compatibility with both standard and high-yield ink cartridges means you can save money in the long run while enjoying high-quality prints. You'll appreciate the efficiency this printer offers. With a color print speed of 5.7 pages per minute and 9.9 pages per minute for black and white copies. No more long waits for your documents. The standout feature of the MG3620 is its Wi-Fi connectivity. You can easily print directly from your smartphone or tablet using Apple AirPrint or Mopria, making it incredibly convenient for those busy moments when you need to print on the go. Weighing just 11.9 pounds, the PIXMA MG3620 is a smart, practical investment that enhances your everyday tasks. Experience the convenience of seamless printing and take the stress out of your printing needs with this versatile and affordable printer. Your home office will thank you. Number 3, Epson EcoTank ET3850, our pick for if you're looking for a printer that can keep up with your high printing volume without breaking the bank or taking up too much space. The all-in-one Epson ET3850 is definitely worth your attention. You can enjoy up to 7,500 black and white pages and 6,000 color pages before needing to replenish the ink, which can equate to almost 2 years of effortless printing for some users. Setting up the ET3850 is a breeze. Simply scan the QR code on the printer to download the Epson Smart Panel app, which guides you through the process in a user-friendly way. You'll appreciate the ease of filling the ink tanks, as the design minimizes spills thanks to a secure connection between the bottle and tank. When it comes to performance, you'll find that the ET3850 prints color maps at a commendable speed, about 29 seconds for your vibrant designs. However, duplex printing can take a bit longer, with 3 pages taking around 52 seconds to complete. That said, single-page prints can reach up to 15 pages per minute, which is quite acceptable. With its high-resolution flatbed scanner, automatic document feeder, and a 250-page paper tray, the Epson ET3850 stands out for those who need efficiency and quality in a compact package. If you desire reliable, high-volume printing with low maintenance, this printer may be the perfect fit for your workspace. Number 2, Brother MFCJ 4335DW, our pick for best home printer. If your household has a variety of printing needs, the Brother MFCJ 4335DW is an excellent choice for you. This all-in-one inkjet printer has consistently impressed in our tests, delivering outstanding performance for everyday tasks. Its sturdy build and high-yield cartridges ensure that you won't frequently interrupt your workflow to replace ink, allowing you to focus on what matters most. When it comes to document printing, you can expect crisp and sharp results with impressive speeds. 17 pages per minute for black and 15 pages per minute for color. If you enjoy printing photos at home, this model offers borderless printing options in various sizes, though you might notice that some images can appear slightly flat and grainy with a warm tone. Connecting to the printer is a breeze. Chooses between USB and Wi-Fi options. The Brother mobile app enhances your experience, letting you print, scan, copy, and perform maintenance tasks directly from your device. The automatic document feeder allows for quick scanning at 20 pages per minute. But keep in mind that it lacks duplex scanning, so you'll need to manually flip double-sided documents. With a 150-sheet input tray, you'll likely find that you won't need to refill it frequently, making the Brother MFCJ 4335DW a practical addition to your home office. Whether you're handling documents, photos, or creative projects, this printer has the versatility to meet your needs. Number 1. HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E, our pick for best printer overall. If you're in the market for a reliable printer to elevate your home office setup, the HP OfficeJet Pro is an excellent choice. You'll appreciate its impressive speed, allowing you to print 10 pages in just 32 seconds and complete both scanning and printing in 58 seconds. This efficiency means less downtime, giving you more time to focus on your work. The upgraded model effectively addresses past graphic and image quality concerns. You'll find that documents feature sharp and accurate graphics while images maintain clarity, even with minor dotting. The text quality stands out as well. Expects crisp, well-defined edges, even when printing playful fonts like Comic Sans. While the printer may take up more space than others, its deep paper tray and automatic document feeder make it a worthwhile addition to your workspace. One of the standout features of the OfficeJet Pro is its versatility. When you opt for HP Plus, you'll receive 3 months of free ink based on standard usage. Although HP Plus includes additional app features and free ink, remember that you'll need to use HP inks while subscribed. Ultimately, the HP OfficeJet Pro offers you a reliable, high-quality printing solution, perfect for tackling all your home office needs without stretching your budget. Make your printing experience smoother and more efficient with this outstanding printer in your corner. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which printer you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.